Hello, I'm Sarah from LJ Hooker Erina Greenpoint. Today I'd like to welcome you to this glorious property at 440 Avoca Drive. From here we are located close to Avoca Beach, Erina Fair Shopping Centre and Greenpoint Christian Academy. Rare to find on the Central Coast, this property sits on 5 sun-drenched acres. The family-friendly major homestead is just in need of your creative touches. Boasting 3 double bedrooms, the property also benefits from 2 additional homesteads. So while you enjoy the country lifestyle, you can collect the income from 2 potential investment properties. A rare commodity, this home is DA approved and subdividable. Outside you can relax and unwind as you get back to nature in this tranquil setting. And the wildlife is just insane. And for the sports enthusiast, this property offers this large front paddock. An acreage of this quality is as rare as the wildlife. I'm Sarah from LJ Hooker Erina Greenpoint, and I look forward to meeting you at the open house.